Okay, hang on a minute. Actually, this is part 3. Basically, this stream is completely off the cuff. It's live coding, and if we take a look at it in its entirety, it's literally just me going through the documentation of Rust and learning some Rust along the way. I'm not really up on the whole syntax for Rust and stuff, so I'm learning as I go. We're literally just completely going through this as a thing. I'm going to be going through the documentation, learning all the different aspects of it and running through it, and hopefully you guys enjoy it along the way. So in the previous one I said that we was going to do comparing guesses in this one, so we'll go through that. I think I didn't actually do a commit in my previous one, so I'll just do a... Yeah, we've got a few modified files, untracked files. Don't really want these ones in. I've just noticed the cat ones. Okay, sorry about that. Right, yeah, so these need main.exe. Why is that in the source folder? Why on earth would that be in there? Why is main in the source folder and not in the target folder? Yeah, I don't quite get that. Of course it's untracked. I mean, why on earth would it be tracked? I'm gonna have to add .exe in PDB, I think, for my gig now. Because target. Also, I want PDB files, and also exe files as well. I think I need to have the same sort of pattern like that, so any folder that happens to have that in, save that and do it. There we go. Now they're ignored completely. That's good. I was going to say, because that was a bit weird. There we go, that's better. Let's just do my previous commit for this. Added rand cargo and created a random secret number. So there we go. Now we're at the start of this episode as such, because that was a bit weird. Right, so now we're going to do... Oops, what the hell happened there? I managed to click on something. Tutorial guessing. Yeah, there we go. Processing a guess. Was that what we were doing? Or setup, processing a guess. We've already done that. Generate a secret number. We just did that in the previous video. Comparing the guesses. Here we go. So what else do we need to add? We are literally going to do match the guess, compare against secret number. Well, that's pretty cool. So you can actually do it like a what? Okay, that's nice. It's kind of like doing a you guess, there we go. It would be like doing a switch on secret number sort of thing in C# or C or something. Okay, so it's match guess is going to compare, I like that, CMP, and compare it to something. So grab the memory address of a secret number, and then it's okay, it's not liking that. Mismatched types. Guess is a string. Secret number is a random number, I'm guessing. So does it not like... Okay, I'm going to hope that that's just IntelliSense being awkward, because otherwise it just seems a bit strange, but we'll sort something. So I'm guessing this means if it's less than, then output this. Your guess was too small or too low. Comma. Ordering greater. It's interesting syntax. Your guess was too big. I'll keep doing that automatically. Okay. Ordering equal. Kind of feels like a mix of like maybe Ruby mixed in with C, mixed in with some other random languages. It seems really interesting. Apparently that's moaning at me like mad. What's it moaning about for the ordering? Failed to resolve undeclared type module ordering. Ordering, yeah. Let's see whether it's added something here. Ah, yeah, here we go. stdcmp ordering. That's what I'm missing. That's why. That's okay. So use std cmp ordering. It's going to take an ordering trait. There we go. Still doesn't like the secret number thing right this second. Let's just double check that I've actually got, yeah, secret number equals. I'm just hoping that that's a save that. Hoping that's actually just an IntelliSense issue. Let's do a cargo build and see if that moans at me about anything. Oh no, expected struct string found basically an integer. Secret number equals rand. Right, have I got any of that incorrect according to that? Oh, seriously, I seem to keep clicking on things. Right, let's take a look at this because there must be some casting issue or something there. Let's carry on just in case I missed something. Oh no, this is having a moan. Okay. Less too small equal match is really useful after using Rust. I did mention that it won't quite compile yet. Ah, that's why. Okay. It's a big error, query mismatch type, subs running guess should be a string, so it doesn't make number types, which is value in 100 and Unfortunately, we want to convert a string. We read the input into a real number type. For comparison, we can do 2 more lines. Here's a new program. Okay. Right, so it reads it in as the guess, then we create an immutable U32, and then we'll trim, parse, and expect type of number. So okay, so basically it's parsing it, and this is where when I said, oh, I can just type whatever into it, this is going to pass it a moan if it's not a number then. So that should fix that. Okay. So that's something. I probably should have read this a bit more before moving on. But okay, so we can fix this. We're only like 11 minutes in, so we'll fix this and then we'll call it a day for this video / stream. Right, okay. Where was it then? It's literally below the mutable guess. And before we print the guess, there we go. So basically let guess of type U32 equals guess dot trim, and once it's trimmed it, we want to pass it as an integer. Dot expect. I quite like this dot expect. This is quite nice for exceptions and stuff. Please type a number. It's a fairly elegant sort of language, this. It's nice. Now, by rights, that should have fixed it, I think. There's not anything mad there, is there? Yeah, just new line. Please type a number. It says 2 new lines. They've done it sort of like this. Because I don't really wrap around and it's just there. That's fine for me. I don't know. They may have like a best practice where they prefer you doing this. I don't know, but leave in the comments. Let me know if you prefer it to be on the line like this, or whether you prefer me to do it like this. Okay, I'm going to do it like this until I get sort of told otherwise. So let's just save it and let's try that again. Do a build and see if it actually builds, which according to them it should. So we'll give it a go. And now let's do a cargo run. And hopefully we'll get through this. Secret number's 37, so if I type 37, way up one. Let's now give it another try. Make it too low, so whatever they've put 19, I'm going to put 9. Guess too low. Okay. Now I'm going to try it too high in a sec. Once it comes through 49, so I'll do 100. Your guess was too big. There we go. So that's pretty much that thing done, and we only took us like less than a quarter an hour. So I'm going to do the running modified domain .rs as to what it's tracking. So git add dot. Going to commit it, and we'll just say that we added a match. Is it called a match statement or a match comparison of the variables guess and secret number? Also passed in and trimmed the guess variable to be able to compare with secret number. Okay, that's quite a long commit statement thing, but yeah. There we go. And we got a nice clean sort of setup. I think that'll do for this thing. I'll see you in the next episode / stream, where let's have a quick look at what we'll be doing next, just for a laugh. And I've clicked on the thing. Every time I click this back button, I didn't notice. This one's here. It's rather annoying. Right, where were we? Quickly generating the number. Comparing the guesses. Oh, enum. Current method can be called on ordering for enums, so it's short for enumeration. Oh, it's talking about enums now. Okay, that's cool. So that's basically what ordering is. It's just an enum. That's fine. 2 lines. This is them explaining it. Let's try the program out. That's what we did. Looping. This is the next one. So in the next stream / video, I'll be doing the looping, which shouldn't be that complicated. In fact, it looks like they've just started an infinite loop. I'll leave that till the next thing though. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next stream / video, whether you're looking at this on YouTube or whether you're watching the stream. Bye for now. I'll be doing another streaming like after I've drank a coffee, basically, so it won't be too long. Okay, that wasn't very long. Literally a mouthful of coffee left, so I just drank that and I'm back on again. I'm going to get this one done. The looping's virtually non-existent, really, as a thing, so I'll probably do this and something else yet. Well, just got a message. Okay, I'll just reply to this quickly. Oops. Right, sorted. Okay, we're carrying on with this looping thing. Shouldn't really be that complicated. I mean, it's literally adding an infinite loop. Hello. Is that Juan or Juan? Okay. Actually got somebody viewing the stream. Can I actually move that chat out? No, you can't pop the chat out, can you? Is that thing that you can do? Yeah, you can't pop the chat out, that's fine. Right, so let's get back to this looping. So I'm literally just going to surround the parts of this in a loop, literally. So after it's taken the generate the secret number, then we'll start the loop of inputting a guess. So just as we start the guess part, so if I do loop and open the parentheses and then close the loop at the end of the match, sort of thing, then maybe tab all this over so it's within the loop. Save that. We could do with actually a ability to get out of the loop, but we'll mess about with that afterwards. Okay, so that's there. So we'll save this and give it a run. So I'm just going to do cargo build. Oh, Gargo instead of cargo. Okay, I can't spell by looking at it. Do cargo build. And then we'll do a cargo run. Right then. Okay, the number's 13, so if I guess above it, say 15, it'll moan at me and say no, it was too big, and input another guess basically. So if I now say 2, it'll moan, say no, it was too low. So if I now say 13, it'll say okay, you win, please input your guess. That doesn't sound right. So the win condition should probably have some sort of exit the loop sort of part, so I'm going to have a look at that in a second. I'll Control C to get out of it for the moment. Oh my life, my typing's gone awful. Right, so that's that part, but then we're looping in an infinite loop. So if we win, it's just saying that you won. It's not really breaking out of it. Is the way of breaking. Try it out, but wait, didn't we just add an infinite loop? Yes. Non-number answer, panic. Okay. Quit actually quits to any other non-number input. This is a suboptimal way to at least. Yeah, I don't like that. Ah, it's got a break basically. So yeah, that's fairly straightforward. So we can literally pop things into the whatchamacalls. Okay, so next I'm just going to literally grab this and scope it. So this is going to be scoped by using a curly brace at the start of it and a curly brace at the end of it. So now it's going to go, okay, you win, then we're going to break out of the loop, basically. It did not like that. Oh, no, why? There we go. So this is now a scoped thing, so I might as well tab that in a bit, just so it kind of looks a bit more scoped. I don't know whether that's cleaner or whether it's better to just leave that there and just tab it in once. To undo tabs, I'm just going to use Shift and Tab, and that's going to move it back a tab each time. So that's just part of the Visual Studio Code sort of way it deals with things, same way Visual Studio does really. So that should now break out of it when you win. So you basically keep going through your guesses until you win. So I'm going to try that now. Let's run it. $45 was too low. 67 was too big. 48, you win, and it goes out of the game after you win, sort of thing. Okay, so that was fairly straightforward. So that's broke the thingy. We don't want it to win, want it to ignore it. We can do it like this. Oh, that's quite nice. Got an error and continue there. That's doable. So I might actually add that now because we've only been like 6 minutes odd into the stream really. So you know, let's have a look. So yeah, I'll add this bit in here as well. The whole parsing. Okay. Do like how they're building this up as a thing. So when we do the expect fail to readline type number, so under parse, we want to do this part here. Let's make this a bit smaller of a whatchamacall. Scroll down. So when it does the let guess trim parse, let's not do the expect there. Let's just go and do that. Again, we're scoping it, so then we're going to tab in and do OK. None. Then output none. Else give us an error with a lambda. and then just continue. Yeah. What's this moaning about here? Trim blah blah pass. Done that, done that, done that. That's all fine. Why is it moaning? Why is it expecting something else now? It's got that, it's got the comma, it's got that. Okay, num. Pass. Scoped. Okay, num. Ending that. Okay, it's saying that it should be okay. But it's moaning at me. Expected one of a dot, question mark or an operator found. Did it need to have no space? No, I don't know why that's doing that. Let's save that. Okay. You know, I'm just going to leave it in there, and I'm going to try a build. See what it has to say to me, whether it's just an IntelliSense issue or something. Could not compile, blah blah, 2 previous errors. Found expected item, found end. Is it because I've got a comma there, or do I need to do that? Shall I comma it? No, dot. No. So now, why on earth would it be telling me to do this when it's incorrect? Is there anything mad there, or somewhere I have one tweak to do? But apparently, no, we don't, because that's what am I missing? There's got to be something I'm missing here. Expect failed read line. Match trim passed. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna literally copy and paste just in case I've done a typo somewhere. Straight over it. So I must have done a type Control Z. Let guest trim blah blah. Hang on a minute. Ah, I missed out the word match. Seriously. Okay, so it does another match. Okay, that's why. So it's basically saying, yeah, if it's okay, then do this. If not, do that. Okay, that's fine. So it's basically doing another sort of a switch case statement, if you like. Okay. That's why it was all special. Typos are great, aren't they? Let's clear that. And do a build. That's done. It's alright, I'm just looking up something because I've just noticed. Just somebody who came onto the stream and sort of said hello and then left. That's their name, Juan Exo Navarro. If you're watching this video at any point, just give us a little shout and see what you're up to, 'cause it looks interesting. Don't know what they do or what, but that was just random. Anyway, bit of another tangent to go off on one. Cargo run. Let's give this a go. guess a number. The secret number's 54, so nobody knows it's secret, so it's alright. It's 54, nobody knows. So is it 45? No, that's too low. Please input a guess. Good definite number. Please input your guess. Okay. That was too low, wasn't it? So 900. So no, it's too big. So 54. Just guess 54. Yeah, you win and exit. Okay, I might see. Just to do that and just pop straight into the prompt seems a bit, but you know. Probably you win and do you want to play again or something like that? I don't know. And obviously, once my debugging's finished, I'll cut out the whole telling the user the secret number, because that kind of negates the point of the game, really. Right, so I think I'll end this one here. It's been like 14 minutes. It's gonna be about quarter an hour sort of video once I've done the commit. Whoops. This one we added a loop to let the user repeat guesses until a win condition is met. Also handled the error of inputting a non-numeric numeric value as a guess. My comments getting really long. Okay, so that's done, and we have a clean repo. So I think that'll do. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next stream/video.